we use advanced vacuum frying.
All right, team, focus on the sorting line. Ensure everything meets our quality standards.
The primary indicator is the firmness around the stem and the deep green color.
Got it. So this one is ready.
Exactly. Consistency is key for this shipment.
In the initial cleaning section, we follow stringent hygiene protocols. This high-pressure wash removes all contaminants.
Keep your grip steady, Rohan. Slice slowly right down the center to maintain efficiency and prevent waste.
The separation rate looks good, but check the consistency on this batch.
It's slightly firmer than the last run. We should adjust the puree setting.
The key is in the precise uniformity of the slice. This thickness allows for the ideal crystallization structure.
We need to maintain exactly 95 degrees Celsius for the next 2 minutes to lock in the color.
Got it. The timer is set.
The cooling process is critical for the al dente texture. We monitor moisture absorption closely.
Levels look optimal, Anika.
See how the volatile oils release. That's the ballast we want.
Got it. Right at the 15-gram mark.
Perfect. Now for the coriander.
It's this precise tumbling action that guarantees the perfect balance of spice and savory notes in every single piece.
By optimizing the airflow here, we reduce the moisture content by nearly 30%.
And the energy consumption. I see the consistency now.
We keep the temperature exactly at 180 degrees Celsius. The precision ensures the perfect texture and extends the oil's lifespan. The secret to the perfect crunch is monitoring the time closely. See how golden brown these are getting?
As you can see, the automated process guarantees we adhere to the strictest health standard.
Yes, Supervisor, the data logging is complete.
We have to maintain this exact temperature gradient to ensure the chips stay crisp. It's all about the texture stabilization.
Understood. The fans are running at full capacity.
Anything darker than a 4 on this chart is an automatic rejection.
The crunch is perfect, though.
It is, but the color grading fails the criteria.
This dusting is our signature flavor enhancement. It brings out the subtle sweetness of the scallops and complements the saffron risotto perfectly.
This sensor detects metallic contaminants above the specified threshold.
Right.
See how the signal remains steady? Exactly.
Make sure the consistency matches the reference exactly, Rohan. We need to maintain the flow properties.
Got it, Anika. Right at 25 grams. Moving to the next one.
This sealing process is critical for the modified atmosphere and freshness.
Got it. The seals are holding perfectly under the stress test.
As you can see, the machine operates at peak efficiency, filling over 500 pouches a minute with incredible precision.
The nitrogen flush removes the oxygen, which is crucial for maximizing the shelf life.
Pressure levels are holding steady at 0.02, Anika.
The traceability system links this date code directly to the manufacturing batch, allowing us to track every component instantly.
As you can see, the automated sorting system routes the sealed cartons directly to staging, which has significantly improved our throughput.
The new system maintains a steady 55% humidity across the floor, minimizing spoilage risks.
Confirmed.
Attention reviews. Here at the loading zone, we utilize a streamlined process. Once the cartons arrive, they are immediately sorted and
I just wanted to express my sincere gratitude to everyone here. We achieved record numbers because of your effort.
After all that hard work, here they are. The best jackfruit chips on the market.